Some kids around the corner. This is the end of July. A castle. Look at that. That's a bit tight to say the least. Sunny and dry, the weather report said. What a cute little canal bridge. I'll have a little mooch down here first. Seems very pleasant. So the plan today is to ride up the canal, meet the road, ride along the road to Glasson Dock, which is on the River Lune. Thank you. How lovely is that? Two swans and baby swans. It started raining again. The weather reports in this country are getting worse and worse. That's a colour scheme like the Mersey Ferry. I do like the rain, and I don't mind if it's just slight drizzle. Because I'm filming, it constantly gets on the lens. I'm going to find a nice tree to hide under. It's fine rain, the one that gets you really wet. Said it was going to be dry.
I know, that's what we thought.
Yeah, exactly. I missed the bridge in my keenness. This is the end of July. What's the rain doing? What's its game? The Grazing Cow Farm Stay, Airbnb. Nearly got run over. That's lovely, isn't it? Young lad there had fallen off his bike. Nice little racing bike, gone too fast around the corner. Breeze Farm caravan site. Nice place to stay. The Glasson Dock. Was a bit tight to say the least. I'm doing 13 miles an hour, it feels really quick. It's the school holidays. Some kids around the corner. Oh wow, they're not kids, they're building a... Is this an old lifeboat? I think it is, isn't it? This is more like a river than a canal here, surely. That's a Lula Bell. Looks like a bit of a biker's cafe up here. What a beautiful ship, Helene. Royal Enfield and a Triumph. It's a funny kind of place. There you go, for sale. Just needs a little bit of glazing, bit of paint. Oh, I can see Blackpool Tower over there. I might be tempted to ride out, but there's too many people here who would judge me. Are those leaves big enough for you? Just in time for the movie. It's very much like Southport around here. It's a very desolate feeling place. That abandoned yacht there doesn't help. Little picnic site here called Conda Green. And the River Lune Millennium Park. Come on, look at this, it's lovely. It's a hell of a pad, isn't it? Right on the front. Really is a lovely trail, this. Obviously an ex-railway line. They can quite often be a bit boring, but this one's very nice. I don't like the look of the sky. To be honest, this is getting a bit boring. It just looks like boring that way. Lancaster, blimey, where am I? I am closing in on Lancaster, I can't believe it. I'm not entirely sure why I'm just keeping going. I should have turned around ages ago. It's the lure of the infinity point. Okay, I've just seen a castle. We're going to the castle. Everyone loves a castle. Oh, we like this, don't we? I'm heading for the castle. Look at me, I'm climbing. Train spotted. The Castle Priory. Very nice around here. A castle. Look at that. That's not a proper castle, that. That's like one of those fantasy castles. It is very nice though. Very nice indeed. You can't beat stone, can you, to build things with? Lancaster Main Street, I guess. My God, this is exactly like Preston. A Baptist church this time. Uh-oh. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, that's gorgeous, isn't it? So this is the private car park. It's up the way. Lancaster Cathedral. Absolutely beautiful parts here. They love stone buildings, didn't they? They're just everywhere. Just ex-cotton mills everywhere. It's all a bit weird. Seriously, look at that. What's going on here? Bit noisy, to say the least. Everywhere you go is beautiful. The houses, the buildings, they're just so gorgeous.
And that's what I was saying to him. I was like,
Yeah, not a bad little pad. I'm going to head back to the van, which is about 10 miles away. It's alright, I've got 29 miles left. Look at that, I bought a mount for my phone. This is new for me. I'm going to have to trust Google Maps. I feel like I'm on the wrong side of the canal, but there's only one side to the canal, so it's just absolutely beautiful, this. Perfect trees, perfect boats. Been to Lancaster a few times before, but only really to the Butterfly House. Living the dream on the Duck Island Boat Company. No, sorry, got no food. It's very quiet and nice down here. The water is so still. It's confusing my mind with the reflection. 3 miles to go. 2.5 miles to go. 2 miles to go. 1.5 miles to go. Half a mile to go. Hey, nearly home.